Surah Al-Furqan, the Criterion. This surah is Meccan, containing 6 sections and 77 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا.
The possessor of infinite blessings is He who revealed the criterion to His chosen one, that He becomes a warner for all the worlds.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض ولم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك وخلق كل شيء فقدره تقديرا.
He to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and He has not taken a child, and He has no partner in the kingdom, and He created everything, then He maintained it with specific measure.
واتخذوا من دونه آلهة لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون موتا ولا حياة ولا نشورا.
And they took gods other than Him who do not create anything. Rather, they are created, and they have no control over harm or benefit for themselves, and they have no control over death or life or resurrection.
وقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا إفك افتراه وأعانه عليه قوم آخرون فقد جاءوا ظلما وزورا.
And the disbelievers said, "This Quran is only a lie which he has fabricated, and other people have helped him in this task too. So they have certainly resorted to oppression and lying."
وقالوا أساطير الأولين اكتتبها فهي تملى عليه بكرة وأصيلا.
And they said, "This Quran is just account of previous nations which he has written down. So they are recited to him morning and evening."
قل أنزله الذي يعلم السر في السماوات والأرض إنه كان غفورا رحيما.
Say, He who knows the secrets of the heavens and the earth revealed it. He is most forgiving, most merciful.
وقالوا ما لهذا الرسول يأكل الطعام ويمشي في الأسواق لولا أنزل إليه ملك فيكون معه نذيرا.
And they said, "What is with this messenger? He eats food and walks in the markets. Why has an angel not been sent down to him so he would become a warner with him?"
أو يلقى إليه كنز أو تكون له جنة يأكل منها وقال الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
Or a hidden treasure sent down to him, or a garden for him from which he would eat. And the oppressors said, "You only follow a man who has been bewitched."
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
Dear beloved Prophet, see how they are giving examples regarding you, so they have become misguided, as they are incapable of finding a path.
تبارك الذي إن شاء جعل لك خيرا من ذلك جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ويجعل لك قصورا.
The possessor of infinite blessings is he who, if he wills, will make for you something better than that, gardens beneath which rivers flow, and he will make for you elevated palaces.
بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا.
Rather they denied the hour, i.e., day of judgment, and we have prepared for those who deny the hour a blazing fire.
إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا.
When it will see them from afar, they will hear its raging and roaring.
وإذا ألقوا منها مكانا ضيقا مقرنين دعوا هنالك ثبورا.
And when they will be cast, bound by chains, into a narrow place in it, there they will pray for death.
لا تدعوا اليوم ثبورا واحدا وادعوا ثبورا كثيرا.
It will be said, do not pray for one death today, pray for many deaths.
قل أذلك خير أم جنة الخلد التي وعد المتقون كانت لهم جزاء ومصيرا.
Say, is this, i.e., punishment better or the everlasting garden which has been promised to the pious? It is recompense and a place of return for them.
لهم فيها ما يشاءون خالدين كان على ربك وعدا مسئولا.
For them there is all that they desire therein, residing forever. It is upon the bestowal of your Lord, a sought promise.
ويوم يحشرهم وما يعبدون من دون الله فيقول أأنتم أضللتم عبادي هؤلاء أم هم ضلوا السبيل.
And on the day he will gather them and whatever they worshipped other than Allah, so he will say to the idols, did you misguide my people, or did they themselves stray from the path?
قالوا سبحانك ما كان ينبغي لنا أن نتخذ من دونك من أولياء ولكن متعتهم وآباءهم حتى نسوا الذكر وكانوا قوما بورا.
They will say, O Allah, you are pure. It was not permissible for us that we take any helper other than you. However, you let them and their forefathers take benefit until they forgot your remembrance, and they were a ruined nation.
فقد كذبوكم بما تقولون فما تستطيعون صرفا ولا نصرا ومن يظلم منكم نذقه عذابا كبيرا.
So they, the idols, have denied what you, the disbelievers, say. So now you will neither have the power to repel punishment, nor the power to help yourselves. Whosoever from you oppresses, we shall make him taste extreme punishment.
وما أرسلنا قبلك من المرسلين إلا إنهم ليأكلون الطعام ويمشون في الأسواق وجعلنا بعضكم لبعض فتنة أتصبرون وكان ربك بصيرا.
And we did not send before you from the messengers, except that they certainly ate food and walked in the markets. O people, and we made some of you a trial for others. Will you be patient? Dear beloved Prophet, your Lord is all-seeing.
وقال الذين لا يرجون لقاءنا لولا أنزل علينا الملائكة أو نرى ربنا لقد استكبروا في أنفسهم وعتوا عتوا كبيرا.
And those who do not have hope in our meeting said, why were angels not sent down upon us? Or why do we not see our Lord? They have certainly resorted to arrogance within their hearts and have committed an extreme transgression.
يوم يرون الملائكة لا بشرى يومئذ للمجرمين ويقولون حجرا محجورا.
The day they will see the angels, there will be no glad tidings for the wrongdoers on that day. And they will say, O Allah, place between us a preventing barrier.
وقدمنا إلى ما عملوا من عمل فجعلناه هباء منثورا.
And we shall proceed towards whatever deeds they have done, and make them into floating particles of scattered dust.
أصحاب الجنة يومئذ خير مستقرا وأحسن مقيلا.
The people of paradise on that day will be better in respect of abode and best in respect of comfort.
ويوم تشقق السماء بالغمام ونزل الملائكة تنزيلا.
And the day the sky with the clouds will split open, and angels will be made to descend completely.
الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن وكان يوما على الكافرين عسيرا.
The true kingdom on that day will be for the infinitely gracious, and that will be a most severe day for the disbelievers.
ويوم يعض الظالم على يديه يقول يا ليتني اتخذت مع الرسول سبيلا.
On that day, the wrongdoer will bite his hands, saying, would that I had adopted the path with the messenger.
يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا.
Alas, my ruin! Would that I had not taken such a man as a friend.
لقد أضلني عن الذكر بعد إذ جاءني وكان الشيطان للإنسان خذولا.
He certainly led me astray after advice had come to me, and Satan is one who abandons man in the time of calamity.
وقال الرسول يا رب إن قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مهجورا.
And the messengers said, O my Lord, indeed my nation has made this Quran something undesirable.
وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا من المجرمين وكفى بربك هاديا ونصيرا.
And thus we had made the wrongdoers an enemy for every prophet, and your Lord suffices as a guide and a helper.
وقال الذين كفروا لولا نزل عليه القرآن جملة واحدة كذلك لنثبت به فؤادك ورتلناه ترتيلا.
And the disbelievers said, Why was the Quran not revealed to him all at once? Thus that we may strengthen your heart with it, and we recited it gradually.
ولا يأتونك بمثل إلا جئناك بالحق وأحسن تفسيرا.
And they will not bring to you any example, except that we shall bring to you the truth and a better statement.
الذين يحشرون على وجوههم إلى جهنم أولئك شر مكانا وأضل سبيلا.
Those who will be dragged towards hell on their faces, they are the worst in abode and the most misguided.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلنا معه أخاه هارون وزيرا.
And we certainly granted Musa the book, and with him we made his brother Harun a helper.
فقلنا اذهبا إلى القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فدمرناهم تدميرا.
So we said, Go forth, both of you, to the nation that has rejected my verses. So we completely destroyed them.
وقوم نوح لما كذبوا الرسل أغرقناهم وجعلناهم للناس آية وأعتدنا للظالمين عذابا أليما.
And when the nation of Nuh rejected the messengers, we drowned them and made them a sign for the people. And we have prepared painful punishment for the oppressors.
وعادا وثمود وأصحاب الرس وقرونا بين ذلك كثيرا.
And we destroyed Ad and Thamud and the people of the well and many communities between them.
وكلا ضربنا له الأمثال وكلا تبرنا تتبيرا.
And we stated examples for every nation. We completely destroyed all of them.
ولقد أتوا على القرية التي أمطرت مطر السوء أفلم يكونوا يرونها بل كانوا لا يرجون نشورا.
And they certainly came to the village which was rained upon by rain of evil. Did they not see it? Rather, they did not have hope in rising after death.
وإذا رأوك إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي بعث الله رسولا.
And when they see you, they only make you the focus of mockery, and they say, Is this the one whom Allah has sent as a messenger?
إن كاد ليضلنا عن آلهتنا لولا أن صبرنا عليها وسوف يعلمون حين يرون العذاب من أضل سبيلا.
And they say, it was indeed near that he would have diverted us from our gods, had we not remained devoted to them. Soon they will come to know when they see the punishment, who was most misguided from the path.
أرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه أفأنت تكون عليه وكيلا.
Did you see the one who has taken his desires as his God? Will you be a guardian for him?
أم تحسب أن أكثرهم يسمعون أو يعقلون إن هم إلا كالأنعام بل هم أضل سبيلا.
Or do you think that most of them hear or understand? They are like cattle, rather they are even more astray from the path.
ألم تر إلى ربك كيف مد الظل ولو شاء لجعله ساكنا ثم جعلنا الشمس عليه دليلا.
Dear beloved Prophet, did you not see your Lord, how he lengthened the shadow? And had he willed, he would have made it still. Then we made the sun proof for it.
ثم قبضناه إلينا قبضا يسيرا.
Then we caused it to recede towards us gradually.
وهو الذي جعل لكم الليل لباسا والنوم سباتا وجعل النهار نشورا.
It is he who made for you the night a veil and sleep as comfort, and he made the day for awakening.
وهو الذي أرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته وأنزلنا من السماء ماء طهورا.
And it is he who sent the winds before his mercy as glad tidings, and we sent down purifying water from the sky.
لنحيي به بلدة ميتا ونسقيه مما خلقنا أنعاما وأناسيا كثيرا.
So that we may revive a dead city with it, we give water to the animals and people we created.
ولقد صرفناه بينهم ليذكروا فأبى أكثر الناس إلا كفورا.
And we certainly rotated it, i.e., the rain, among them so that they may remember, but most people do not accept with ungratefulness.
ولو شئنا لبعثنا في كل قرية نذيرا.
And had we willed, we would have sent a warner to every village.
فلا تطع الكافرين وجاهدهم به جهادا كبيرا.
So do not pay heed to the disbelievers, and with this, i.e., Quran, perform a great jihad against them.
وهو الذي مرج البحرين هذا عذب فرات وهذا ملح أجاج وجعل بينهما برزخا وحجرا محجورا.
And it is he who combined the two seas. This is sweet, most pleasant, and this is salty, most bitter. And he made a barrier between them and a preventing obstacle.
وهو الذي خلق من الماء بشرا فجعله نسبا وصهرا وكان ربك قديرا.
And it is he who created man from water Then he made him one of lineage and relatives through marriage, and your Lord is all-powerful.
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعهم ولا يضرهم وكان الكافر على ربه ظهيرا.
And they worship other than Allah, those who neither benefit them nor harm them, and the disbeliever is a helper of Satan against his Lord.
وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا.
And we sent you not except as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر إلا من شاء أن يتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Nay, I do not ask you for recompense for this. However, whosoever wants to adopt a path to his Lord can do so.
وتوكل على الحي الذي لا يموت وسبح بحمده وكفى به بذنوب عباده خبيرا.
And place your trust in the self-existing who will never die, and glorify him with his praise, and he suffices in being aware of the sins of his people.
الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش الرحمن فاسأل به خبيرا.
He who created the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them in 6 days. Then he performed istawa upon the throne, as befits his greatness. He is the infinitely gracious. So ask about him from one who knows.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اسْجُدُوا لِلرَّحْمَنِ قَالُوا وَمَا الرَّحْمَنُ أَنَسْجُدُ لِمَا تَأْمُرُنَا وَزَادَهُمْ نُفُورًا.
And when it is said to them, prostrate to the infinitely gracious, they say, who is the infinitely gracious? Should we prostrate to that which you command us? And it increased their aversion.
تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا.
The possessor of the infinite blessings is he who created constellations in the sky and created therein a lamp and an illuminating moon.
وهو الذي جعل الليل والنهار خلفة لمن أراد أن يذكر أو أراد شكورا.
And it is he who made the night and the day come after one another as a sign for he who intends to attain advice or intends to express gratitude.
وعباد الرحمن الذين يمشون على الأرض هونا وإذا خاطبهم الجاهلون قالوا سلاما.
And the people of the infinitely gracious are those who walk upon the earth with humility. And when the ignorant address them, they say only salam.
والذين يبيتون لربهم سجدا وقياما.
And those who spend their nights in prostration and standing in worship of Allah.
والذين يقولون ربنا اصرف عنا عذاب جهنم إن عذابها كان غراما.
And those who say, O our Lord, avert the punishment of hell, Jahannam, from us. Indeed, its punishment is a noose around the neck.
إنها ساءت مستقرا ومقاما.
Surely it is a most evil abode and dwelling.
والذين إذا أنفقوا لم يسرفوا ولم يقتروا وكان بين ذلك قواما.
And those who, when they spend, neither exceed the limit nor withhold, and remain between the two in moderation.
والذين لا يدعون مع الله إلها آخر ولا يقتلون النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ولا يزنون ومن يفعل ذلك يلقى أثاما.
And those who do not worship any other God with Allah, and do not kill a soul unjustly which Allah has forbidden, and do not fornicate, and whosoever does this will meet punishment.
يضاعف له العذاب يوم القيامة ويخلد فيه مهانا.
Punishment will be increased for him on the day of judgment, and he will remain in it perpetually, humiliated.
إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل عملا صالحا فأولئك يبدل الله سيئاتهم حسنات وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
Except whosoever repents and embraces faith and does righteous deeds. So for those people, Allah will change their sins into good deeds, and Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
ومن تاب وعمل صالحا فإنه يتوب إلى الله متابا.
Whosoever repents and does righteous deeds, so he returns to Allah as one should return.
والذين لا يشهدون الزور وإذا مروا باللغو مروا كراما.
And those who do not testify falsely, and when they pass by indecency, they pass by protecting their honor.
والذين إذا ذكروا بآيات ربهم لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا.
And those who, when they are advised with the verses of their Lord, do not fall upon them deaf and blind.
والذين يقولون ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما.
And those who say, O our Lord, grant us comfort of the eyes from our wives and our offspring, and make us leaders for the pious.
أولئك يجزون الغرفة بما صبروا ويلقون فيها تحية وسلاما.
They will be granted the highest degree of paradise as they adopted patience, and they will be welcomed therein with good greetings and salam.
خالدين فيها حسنت مستقرا ومقاما.
Residing therein forever. What an excellent abode and dwelling it is.
قل ما يعبأ بكم ربي لولا دعاؤكم فقد كذبتم فسوف يكون لزاما.
Say, my Lord will not value you if you do not worship Him. So you have denied. Now punishment will remain forever.